This is my Conic section project, and I'm Sofia Rubio. So for my drawing, I decided to do a unicorn that is in a cloud. So first, I'm going to talk about this purple hyperbola, which in my drawing is part of the unicorn's hair, and it's falling. So you can't see the whole hyperbola because it has a domain and range, but if I take it out, you can see the full hyperbola. So first, we can talk about the center of the hyperbola, which is going to be 43 and 20. So 43 for y and negative 20, I'm sorry. 43 and y 20. So right here. So from there, we're gonna find the vertices. So if you do 43 plus or minus 5, which is the square root of 25, which is gonna be 5 up and 5 down, it's gonna give you right here, which is 48, which is 43 plus 5, and 38, which is 43 minus 5. And they are in the 20. They're both in the, x20. And also the co-vertices are gonna be located both in 43y, which is here, and they're gonna be in 20 plus or minus 6. So 20 to negative 26, and in negative 14. And from there, we are gonna have the same distance, so they're like here and here, the same distance from the hyperbola to here and to here and to here. The foci points are going to be located in negative 20 x, and from there, from the center, we're going to go approximately 7.9 7.8 to up, because you do 25 plus 36 and then you find and 25 plus 36 is 61, and the square root of that is 7.8. So from the foci, from the center point, you go 7.8 up and 7.8 down. That is approximately over here and over here. So now we're going to put back the domain and range. So for the domain, you can see that it's 36 is greater than x, and negative 25.995 is smaller than x. So here, where it starts from the unicorn's horn, you can see that the x value is negative 25.955. So from there is where it starts. And if we go to the bottom, you can see that it ends exactly at 36. 36. Yeah. So, and for the y, which takes out the whole upper part of the hyperbola, from 40 to up, because it says that y is smaller than 40. So you can see that the other hyperbola started over here, so you can't see it. Okay, now I'm going to talk about one of the circles that makes up the cloud. Let me zoom in. So let's talk about this one. Okay, so here you can see the equation, which is y minus 50 squared plus x minus 7 squared equals 49. But here you see that it's greater than 49 because I wanted it to be colored in, but if we take that out and put an equal sign, it's not going to be colored in. But for this purpose, I'm going to have it like that. So this circle is part of the clouds that are around the unicorn. And so the center of it is going to be negative 50y, like you see over here, 50y. And it's going to be 7x. So 50 and 7 is going to be right here. 50 and 7 right here. And from there on, to get the radius, you have to do this value. You have to do the square root of this value. So it's going to be 7 from the 0 line, so from the border, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is right here, which is where the center is, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is right there. So here is my conic section project.